1. Moong dal khichdi, made with yellow moong dal plus rice plus ghee tadka, light, protein-rich, and perfect for digestion. 2. Vegetable soup, plus multigrain toast, low-calorie dinner full of fiber and nutrients, keeps you full without extra calories. 3. Oats vegetable upma, oats plus veggies plus curry leaves, plus mustard seeds, great for fiber and gut health. 4. Paneer burji, with salad protein packed and low carb, use less oil and pair with cucumber tomato salad. 5. Roti plus lauki, bottle gourd, curry high in water content and easy to digest, add curd on the side for a complete meal. 6. Brown rice with rajma or kol, light version, use less oil and avoid cream, rich in plant-based protein. 7. Stir-fried veggies with tofu, add soy sauce, pepper, and olive oil, high protein, and perfect for dinner. 8. Millet khichdi, foxtail, bajra, rich in fiber and keeps you full longer, helps in slow digestion and fat burning. 9. Quinoa pulao with mixed veggies, gluten-free, light, and nutrient-rich. A modern Indian-style healthy dinner. 10. Methi thepla plus, low-fat curd, traditional, yet light, great option if you crave something Indian tasty. Use any voice with a clear American voice for the narrator.